Did you know that in 2019, students left behind nearly 50 tons of dorm materials during move-out? Although the Office of Sustainability's Greening Move-Out program was able to save 13.1 tons of materials for reuse and donations, about 70% of this waste was sent to the landfill. Thus, in order to make move-in as easy as possible as well as reduce any potential waste, we encourage students to pack lightly and to only bring items necessary to live on campus. We also discourage bringing furniture, TVs, and other large items. If you plan on moving to campus in the next few days, please only pack items that you deem necessary. These include your phone, which will be necessary for testing, your PUID, and face coverings. We suggest that you bring reusable face masks and highly recommend those made from natural materials like organic or recycled cotton or hemp. Cloth masks are easier to clean, more durable, and help reduce waste from disposable masks. You should also pack essential items and clothes to get you through the entire arrival quarantine period, as laundry facilities will be closed. Make sure that you bring clothes that are suitable for the weather expected during the remainder of the winter and the upcoming spring season. Rolling your clothes or using packing cubes helps reduce the amount of space clothes take up, thereby leaving room for other items and reducing the overall amount of packaging you may need to move back onto campus. If you do need to use additional packaging, please refrain from using plastic bags and instead opt for reusable bags or recyclable cardboard boxes. You should also bring toiletries, a shower caddy, and shower shoes. Towels, washcloths, and a bathrobe will also be necessary. We advise that you bring a power strip. However, in order to avoid fire hazards, your power strip must have a built-in breaker. Having an on-off switch will also help you conserve your overall energy use. You will obviously need school supplies during this upcoming semester as well. For tips on what you may need to study this spring, check out @TigerScoutGreen's Studying Sustainably guide on Instagram. We also recommend that you bring reusable water bottles and utensils, such as the bamboo utensils from the Office of Sustainability, to help you reduce waste during your time on campus. You may also want to bring some cleaning supplies for your dorm room or private bathroom if you have one, but these can also be bought at the U-Store as needed after your arrival on campus. Please make sure you coordinate with your roommate or roommates if you have any to ensure that you do not duplicate any items. This will help reduce any unnecessary waste. You should also make sure you bring a laundry hamper, pillows, blankets, a mattress cover, and linens for an extra long twin bed. Also bring laundry detergent and remember to wash your clothes on cold to drastically reduce the amount of energy you consume. Pack a drying rack or extra hangers as well so that you can air dry your clothes, which will also reduce your energy usage as well as better preserve your clothes. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing many of you move back to campus soon.